Hi, Fáilte Irish language teacher. Today I want to teach you how to say where is my and also where is your. Okay, so where is my? Cá bhfuil ma. Cá bhfuil ma. Where is your? Cá bhfuil do. Cá bhfuil do. Now, what I want to do is use those two phrases in front of the words that we learned for the body. So we have our list of words for the body, which are eyes, sualia. Let me just check my list. Ears, cluasa, nose, srone, mouth, beal, head, cion or cligan, hair, gruig, feet, cosa, hands, lava, and teeth, fécla. Now I'm going to put the word mo or do in front of those words, and you will hear how they change. So, sualia, mo hualia, do hualia, mo hualia, do hualia. So if we wanted to say, where are my eyes? You would say, cá bhfuil mo hualia. Where are your eyes? Cá bhfuil do hualia. So we'll just go down through the list doing that. Ears, cluasa, my ears, má cluasa, your ears, do cluasa, má cluasa, do cluasa. Cá bhfuil má cluasa. Where are my ears? Cá bhfuil do cluasa. Where are your ears? Nose, srone, one of my favorite words. Srone. Má chrón. Do chrón. Má chrón. Do chrón. Cá bhfuil má chrón. Cá bhfuil do chrón. Cá bhfuil má chrón. Where is my nose? Cá bhfuil do chrón. Where is your nose? Mouth, beal. Má bhéal. Do bhéal. Má bhéal. Do bhéal. Cá bhfuil má bhéal? Cá bhfuil do bhéal? Cá bhfuil má bhéal? Cá bhfuil do bhéal? Head, cion. Má cion. Do cion. Má cion. Do cion. Cá bhfuil má cion? Cá bhfuil do cion? Where is my head? Cá bhfuil má cion? Where is your head? Cá bhfuil do cion? Hair, grúig, má grúig, dá grúig, má grúig, dá grúig, cá bhfuil má grúig, cá bhfuil dá grúig, cá bhfuil má grúig, cá bhfuil dá grúig. Feet, cosa, má cosa, dá cosa, má cosa, dá cosa. Cá bhfuil má cosa, cá bhfuil dá cosa, cá bhfuil má cosa, cá bhfuil dá cosa. Hands, láva, láva. Má láva, it doesn't change any sound. Dá láva, no difference. Cá bhfuil má láva, cá bhfuil dá láva. Teeth, féacla, má éacla, dá éacla, má éacla, dá éacla. Cá bhfuil má éacla, cá bhfuil dá éacla. It kind of runs together because it's so silent. You don't hear the F at all. It sort of runs together. Cá bhfuil má éacla, cá bhfuil dá éacla. Now, sometimes you will hear people refer to both hair and teeth using an extra few words. So they will say, instead of just má grúig for my hair, they will say má hid grúige. And for your hair, it would be dá hid grúige. Má hid grúige, dá hid grúige. Also, we put in that little word hid in front of teeth. Má hid féacla, dá hid féacla. Cá bhfuil má hid féacla, cá bhfuil dá hid féacla. So, again, it's quite okay to say má grúig, dá grúig, or má hid grúige, dá hid grúige. Má éacla, dá éacla, má hid féacla, dá hid féacla. Now, that has turned into quite a long lesson, so just go and practice, maybe play a little game with any children that might be in your household, whether grandchildren or your own children, and maybe play that game of cá bhfuil má chrón, cá bhfuil má chluas. Where is my nose? Where is my ear? So go and have some fun with that, and good luck. Slán go fóill.